Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this video, I am explaining how to enter the Sony TV service menu step by step. I will share all the working service menu codes for different Sony TV models. I will also explain how to exit the service menu safely. And finally, I will show you how to turn off hotel or hospital mode properly. First, make sure the Sony TV is completely powered off and in standby mode. Second, make sure you are using the original Sony infrared remote. Smart remotes or Bluetooth remotes usually do not work for service menu access. Always take photos of original settings before changing anything. Step 1. Sony TV service menu codes. Now I will explain the service menu access codes one by one. Method 1. Standard service menu access. First, keep the TV powered off. Then press display, 5, volume down, power in sequence. The TV will turn on directly into the service menu. This method works on many mid-range and older Sony TVs. Method 2, alternate code. First, keep the TV powered off. Then press mute, display 1, 5, power in sequence. This code works on some LCD and LED Sony models. Method 3, newer model access. First, turn the TV on normally. Then press help 0, 0, 0, 0, enter using the remote. After that, the service menu will appear. If one code does not work on your TV, try the others patiently. Step 2. Important features inside service menu. Once you enter the service menu, you will see many advanced options. You can check panel information and panel type from here. You can find white balance and gamma calibration settings. You can control hotel or hospitality mode settings. You can also check firmware version and model data. Never change panel type or model name unless you are completely sure. Wrong changes can permanently damage the TV. Step 3. How to exit service menu safely. To exit safely, follow this method. Press the power button on the remote once. Let the TV shut down normally. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn the TV on again. This ensures the TV boots without software issues. Your Sony TV will now return to normal home mode. If this video helped you solve your Sony TV problem, give this video a like. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical TV solutions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.